Well, bam.
That ain't it, bro. That's not it, bro.
It's not it, bro.
That's not it, bro.
Look at the mask, bro.
I'm gonna press him, bro. That shit ain't it.
Tastes good like soul food. Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always find his way back home, and it's so true. Later on, fall through and pop one. You know the motto, smoke something, drink something, pop one.
What is good, y'all? Welcome back. So once again, we're gonna go pick up Itchy's car, and then this time hopefully they got the right color paint. Yeah, so let's get right into it. And now that Itchy got his car done, time for like a quick little photo shoot, you know, before I put my car back straight, because right now I'm running like a -8, -7 camera in the back, so just need to fix that. And yeah, I really can't drive this thing anywhere. It's like so terrible. Like the ride is so terrible, but it looks clean though, but it's terrible. I got my new coils right here. Boom, BC. Hopefully it'll make it a little bit better. But yeah, and I'm also gonna switch the tires to 35. That way I have a little more play, because these boys are some skinny boys, but fitment on point though. Old wheels right here. The tread seems pretty good on these, and these are 35, so I'm probably just gonna rock those top 2 months for sure. Worst part about having leather seats, because in the summertime, oh, my back is burning, bro. Yeah, buddy. Let's go, brother.
21st Street, I'm just a boy from the east side. Do you love me? Your mom told you about this side. It could get ugly.
Here we go again. Oh, he looking. Oh, he looking.
Nah, he looking at the other one.
Oh, he looking. Oh, man. I'm gonna record over here. You excited? You excited? You excited? Yeah. Oh, yeah. We on him.
I thought you had come close yet.
Oh, no.
Apparently you are related to Lionel Singh.
No.
Jeff's going crazy, you know.
Lionel Singh.
How's that?
Man.
Looks nice, eh?
Yeah.
She pretty.
Yeah, man, it's great.
Oh, she pretty.
Paint your car the
Looks
wrong
great.
color.
Oh, she pretty.
He goes, oh, paint the wrong color. I guess he just grabbed the regular blue for Honda. So.
Yeah.
There she is.
Yeah, it's all good.
Looks beautiful. I love that blue.
Oh, yeah.
Great.
Yeah, put him inside the car.
Okay. I'll let you load. I'm not. If I scratch it, I'll start crying. I'll bring him around for you guys.
Yeah.
And we'll take care of it. He actually came out great. So.
Yeah. Thank you.
Let me bring him around for you.
Mm-hmm.
What you think, bro? What you think, bro?
Shit, where, bro?
Shit cool, huh? Looks so good on camera, bro. Side skirts. That's going on tomorrow.
What's the other one? Well, those will be good too. Yeah, it should be unlocked.
Jeez, bro. Oh my jeez. The car looks fucking good, bro. Jesus Christ.
Beautiful. All right, bro.
Gotcha. Ain't nothing left in there, huh?
Everything litty, I love when it's hot. Turned to the city, I broke out the notch.
Got some more millions that keep me a knot. I created history, it made me a lot. He tried to diss me and it don't false. We call them Chaucer cause they gonna chop. Took her out of filers cause her pussy pop.
Share tea after the boys.
Sponsor us, Shake Tea.
Sponsors. Yes, sir. I see you peeking. I see you peeking. Yes, sir. Ooh. So just dropping off all the little parts. Izzy, how you feel about it, bro?
That shit clean, bro.
It's clean, huh? Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. That's the bill coming soon, you dig? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hurry up!
Look like skybox. Hit out the ballpark. I spit it in his all art. The boss out of Walmart.